Hello everyone, my name is Krzysztof and I am Head of Data at Ramp Network. I would like to show you a few examples of the custom viz that we are doing in Ramp Network in Omni. Starting with our favorite ranking chart. This is basically showing the rankings of specific measures over time. All examples today are custom Vega Lite charts. In order to do that chart, you will need to have a dataset with time dimension, rankings, ranking image, and of course ranking item. In this example, we have a weekly sales rankings for fruits. Let me quickly show you how we defined image dimension, because that's the only custom dimension here. So we go here. Okay. I have a weekly ranking within category dimension in which I have values from 1 up till 10 for in this entire data set. I limited this for this example to 5. You can set your own custom emojis. So basically we have a simple case statement that we are using for 1 this medal, for 2 silver medal, for 3 bronze medal, and then just numbers for others. As a fallback, I added if we have any other ranking, so from 9 plus, we will just use that ranking as a label. So that's the only custom thing that you need to define in this visualization type. Let's inspect chart definition itself. So we go till the end of the definition. By the way, the definitions will be provided, so you will have ability to just copy and paste the template. In that template, at the very end, you will have that transform block. This is the part that you need to edit. This pattern is actually very neat to define the variables at the end, and we developed that pattern actually during the development of this particular chart. So yeah, so you basically select an item, rank, time variable, and ranking image. And just by setting those 4, you get this beautiful chart. Second example will be the Boxplot chart. We defined it using the very similar pattern. So if you go at the end of the template that you will be provided with, you will find the transform part with all of the necessary variables that needs to be set. So in this particular example, you need to have a category. So in this case, we have fruits and vegetables, so product name. Then we have a minimum, 25th percentile, median, 75th, and so on and so on. What we really like about this chart is the fact that we can actually control what we are adding as specific percentiles or maximums or medians and so on. So we can actually adjust the way this chart works. So for instance, if you look here, the maximum value is not giving us enough details. Maybe it's not what we actually wanted to have. So I have something else. So for instance, in this data set, I also have 19th percentile. So I can actually go here and modify to use as max value the 90th percentile. And in this way, this chart perhaps now have more analytical power and the insights can be much better. This is particularly useful if your data set have a lot of outliers and then maximum value is not really great for Boxplot. The same would, of course, apply to the minimum value. Okay, and the last example that I wanted to show you today is the ribbon chart. So we are using this typically to visualize some changes in customer statuses or sales volume and so on. In this particular example, I have a sales volume over time by category. So we have fruits and vegetables. This chart also has an option to be clickable. So if you click on any specific category, this will actually highlight that category and dim the other. If you have more categories, then of course this will be more visible. And again, the same pattern applies. So if you go to the bottom of the template, you will just need to set, I think, 3 things. So category, type, and value. Category here is named for the time variable, but this can be anything. This can be like steps in the funnel, for instance. So step 1, step 2, and so on. So this is why we didn't name it as a report or something, but time variable can be used here. Then type, so in my example, it's fruits or vegetables, and then value, so any value that you would like to put. In this example, I used rounded version of sales in USD, but that actually doesn't matter. Okay, and I think that's it. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching.